This is the Panasonic GBE ER42 Precision Trimming System. You can clean it with water. It's got a water drain. It's got a quick adjust dial, unique comb attachment, and rubberized grip. And it's actually got more than that. Once it's charged, it has an operation time of up to 50 minutes. To charge it, you have this charging block, as you can see, and you plug that directly into your socket or an extension cord. Snaps in like that, and it just stays there. 19 precision trim settings, convenient. Trim hair wet or dry. This is the actual trimmer. Let me give you a closer look at it. You don't have to remove and replace trimming heads. You just need the one head. If you can see it on your display, I believe that these dial settings correspond to millimeter lengths. You can see from the movement of my jaw, when you have it on 0, it just gets down to the skin and it just really grips. If I were to turn it on right now, it would remove almost my entire beard completely. There'd just be a little bit of stubble left over. So if you're one of those guys that likes to wear stubble, this may just be the trimmer for you. Did a really good job. It didn't pull on any of the hairs. It didn't pull any of them out. It was not painful. It was a very comfortable trim. I think this is a great trimmer for people who like having a little bit of stubble left over. It's a great trimmer for people like me who wear a Van Dyke. Great for mustaches. I think this is just a great little trimmer in general.